Hi, I'm Zimbabwean. I am so excited to bring to you a taste of Africa, in particular dance, music and poetry from southern Zimbabwe. This vibrant group has toured all over Africa, from the Cape to Cairo, spreading their wings all over Europe, America, Australia and New Zealand. Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, this is Albert Nyathi and Imbongi.
Welcome to Zimbabwe. Hello there, my name is Albert Nyathi. I am the leader of the group Imbongi. I come from Southern Africa, Obulawayo, Kontutuziyatuqa, Southern Africa, where lions live side by side with leopards and human beings. Southern Africa, where a child cries and a hyena laughs. My friends, this is the land of contradictions.
My name is Stole. I'm a singer and a dancer at Imbongi.
London is your typical cosmopolitan city. Everyone is busy with no time to spare. But during summer, everyone lets down their hair and visits their local festivals. This summer, Albert Nyathi and Imbongi have truly been the king of all festivals.
To Imbongi with Albert Nyathi! Come on, give it up! Once upon a time, a long time ago, long ago, it used to be nice. We used to play out in the rain, out in the sunshine. Our things border around things that affect us, things that are likely to affect our future, things that reflect on our past and the present. And you know, you don't expect me to be writing about flowers and all the beauty of nature when people are dying. When, you know, when there is lots going on, I write exactly about what's going on all around me, wherever I am. Therefore, this is why you find that one looks back with nostalgia. Long ago, out in the rain, out in the sunshine. So ngoba sibaqhobe sibaqhunse sibaqothule ngoba sinqaba ngenkani sinqaba so baqhaqha sibaqhiye babe ngamanina ngoba sinqaba ngenkani sinqaba.
My name is Nixon. In the band I do backing vocals and dance. Actually I'm specialized in dancing part of it. And I've been performing with Imbongi for about 4 years now.
His name is Nixon!